Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Nautique Super Air G23. For 2021, the platform is now based off of the award-winning Paragon hull. It's a great new platform, new design for the G series. Let's take a look at this boat behind us here. This is going to be the steel blue metal flake side hull color. Really has a ton of pop and sparkle to it. White Chromax finish on this one. Looking down at the bottom of the boat, this is going to have the haze gray bottom to it, accented by the white on the back here. Looking up at the tower on here, we're going to have the two-tone tower to this. We have the haze gray and white tower, our strapless board racks, bimini. This is a really well-equipped boat. Really cool colors on this one. As we come around the back of the boat, we're going to have the haze gray platform, and we're going to be matched with the brown or mocha sea deck on this one. Looking underneath here, this one's going to have the accessory ladder on it. So we're equipped with the ladder on the back of the boat, making it easy getting on and off of the boat. Looking underneath, as always, we're going to have the Nautique surf system, our surf pipe, our NCRS configurable running surface for Nautique, as well as our steer assist. So this boat is really well set up to really take care of your entire day of activities out on the water, giving you the handling that you're going to come to expect. Let's take a look inside this one and check out the interior. All right, as we move to the interior of this boat, coming up from the back here, we've got, like I said, the haze gray matching platform. Come around, the interior color on this one is going to be the Mystic White for the interior deck color. As we look at our interior, we're going to have haze gray interior as our main color, as well as the haze gray True Weave, which is a great option on this boat. Looks really cool. Also on the back of the boat here, we're going to have this rear compartment cooler. It's got a drain in the bottom of it. As we come through our walkthrough, nice open layout, giving you the ability to get on the boat without having to step on any of your interior. In the back, huge amounts of storage in here. Full cover for the boat, mooring cover, able to be driven down the road with that. Everything locks securely into place. Coming inside, cool option on this one. This one's going to have the lighted cup holders to it. All of our interior is going to have sea deck underneath each of them, hinged every seat. Cavern underneath the helm. Massive amounts of storage in here. You've got your dedicated trash bin with pass-through right from the center here. Be able to get everything out of the way nice and easy. Never have any clutter on the floor. Makes your time out in the water a lot more enjoyable, being able to get all that cleaned up right away. Alright, so up in the bow of the boat, what's really cool about this one is this is going to be equipped with the bow filler cushion, which I'm standing on currently. So it doubles as a walkway, which is really nice when you're picking people up from the dock. You can pop out the front cushion and you have this nice perfect walkway right on and off of the boat. This is also going to give you some flip-up armrests up in the bow here. Really nice for those days where you're just out lounging, relaxing, using the boat as a boat, and entertaining with a full boat. Underneath the front storage on both sides, you're going to have a lot of space here, giving you the ability to have all of your towels, everything tucked away, out of the way, don't have to step on anything. And your center cushion here flips up nice and easy, drops into place, giving you that nice open full area to lounge, relax, and really entertain on the front of this boat as well. Alright, so now we're taking a look at this one. We've got, we're set up for that early mornings, those fall, those springtime rides. Closing off the windshield, closing over the air dam, really warms up the interior of the boat. Gives you the ability with this pocket door to really just kind of block it off, get that wind off of you. You are going to have heat on this boat, so as you look down here, you've got pull-out heat tubes. Great for tucking underneath the towel. Help them warm you up on those days where it's a little cool out. This one's also going to be equipped with heated seats. So got a button right inside the glove box. You can flip it on this side. You can do it on the link pan array as well. You're going to have heated seat here and your main cockpit driver seat. So it's really going to give you the ability to stay warm on those days where it is a little cool. Taking a look at the Helm here, you're going to have a bolstered cockpit seat. Gives you the ability to sit up if you're a little taller guy like myself. It's a little more comfortable sometimes. Most of the time though, you're going to be down. You've got your cutout on your side leg. Gives you the ability to turn around, talk to all your guests, and be really entertaining, you know, as you're out on the water. Looking at the Helm itself here, link pan array, beautiful display. You've got a nice open layout. Down below, underneath this ledge, you're going to have your wireless phone charger. You've got lighted cup holders, heat. Rotary helm command is going to give you the ability to change and work with all of your controls right at the touch of the button while you're driving. Don't have to touch the screen if you don't want to, but you've got control either way. Keyless keypad, the ability to change your own keypad, have your own lock, no keys required for the boat. Give us a call here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Get an appointment scheduled. Come check out this great new Nautique G23.